teeth play a vital role in your ability to eat and speak properly, as well as smile with confidence. When you lose a tooth, you have several options for replacement. Aside from simply not replacing the missing tooth, partial dentures are available. A complete denture can be fabricated to replace an entire arch of teeth. Both partial and full dentures are removed at night. A fixed bridge can be used to replace one or multiple teeth. This option requires grinding down the adjacent teeth and can have a limited lifespan.
Dental implants are a fixed treatment option preferred by many patients, dentists, and many surgeons for tooth replacement. A dental implant is a medical-grade titanium post which is placed in the jaw to support a single tooth, multiple teeth, or in some cases, all of the teeth.
If properly cared for, a dental implant can last a lifetime. We are dedicated to finding a solution to all our patients' needs, and we strive to help you select the tooth restoration option that provides you with the most optimal long-term results.